Come on, Stefan, rise and shine. Some of us have a ton of trig homework waiting.
Hey, is this a bad time?
Are you crazy? You don't just sneak up on people in a graveyard. You make noise when you walk. You stomp or yodel.
I heard you were in the hunt.
I'm supposed to be, but Lazy Bones here doesn't want to come out and play.
When you first wake up, it's a little disorienting. He'll show.
It's weird to think of you going through that.
It's weird to go through. So, you're here alone?
Yeah. Why?
I just thought you'd have somebody with you. Xander or someone.
Xander.
Or someone.
Nope. Why? Are you jealous?
Oh, Xander? Please. He's just a kid.
Is it because I dance with him?
Danced with is a pretty loose term. Mated with might be a little closer.
Do you think you're being a little unfair? There was one little dance, which I only did to make you crazy, by the way. Behold my success.
I am not jealous.
You're not jealous. What, vampires don't get jealous?
See? Whenever we fight, you always bring up the vampire.
Well, I didn't come here to fight. Oh, right, I did. What's my steak? I know I had a steak.
I didn't see a steak.
What do you mean he's just a kid? Does that mean I'm just a kid too?
Look, obviously I made a mistake coming here tonight.
Oh, no, you don't. You can't just turn and walk away from me like that. It takes more than that to get rid of me. Oh. Oh.
You okay?
Fine. Gee, I wish people wouldn't leave open graves laying around like this.
So, another vampire has risen tonight.
I don't think so. Look at those tracks. Whoever was buried here didn't rise from this grave. She was dragged from it.